Well, good afternoon, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with SouthernIndianaWeather.com, bringing you a quick video update today before I dive right into the data. Today's video update is sponsored by Metal Magic in Washington. You can give Chad a call at 698-8555 for all of your paintless dent repair needs. Tell them Southern Indiana Weather sent you. All right, just a 2 or 3 minute video tonight, something like that, just enough to get the data across from you tonight. You know I like to blab on, so I don't know if it'll be 2 or 3 minutes. You know how I am on these videos, but I'll try to keep it short for you. Basically, what we've got going on is rain, rain, and what was it? Dora the Explorer said, "Rain, rain, go away, come back another day." I used to I have a kindergartner, so I remember the days of watching Dora the Explorer nonstop when Abby was into that, and that was a phrase I think she said it seemed like all the time. Well, we could probably use that phrase today, couldn't we? We have been raining all day here. In fact, we've had some impressive rain totals. Tell City's picked up over 5 inches of rain here in the past 24 hours, and some flash flooding. Problems are concerned really just all over southern Indiana at this point. Streams are full to capacity in many places, so use some extra caution as you go out there tonight. I'll go ahead and stop the loop here. You can see cloudy for us. Now, we've got some thinning of the clouds around in Kentucky. That is where the greatest chance of severe weather is. If I just take the satellite off here, let me take the radar off. The counties shaded in red here are under a tornado watch until 8 p.m., so it extends a little bit past 8 p.m. here for the counties into Ohio. But really for our counties in the coverage area here in Indiana, you've got Perry County, Crawford County, Harrison County, Floyd County, and Clark County. And I don't think we have very many viewers up in here, but Dearborn, Switzerland, and Ohio counties are also under the warning that covers up here. It goes a little past 8 o'clock, I believe. But really, I think the greatest chance of severe weather tonight will be east of I-65, so pretty much east of the Louisville area, and then down here into Kentucky. We did have some severe weather earlier. If I step back in time a little bit, you can see a severe thunderstorm warning down here in southern Kentucky. You can even see some tornado warnings out of this. But by and large, not a huge severe weather threat yet for this. And no severe weather at all for Indiana, and unless you count flash flooding as severe weather, which it certainly would be, but not the damaging hail or wind kind, of a different kind. But flooding is by far our biggest concern. As we take a look at a little closer look here on SkyTracker HD, you can see that very heavy rain here. It is 6:36 p.m. Eastern Time. You can see very heavy rain over Du Bois County, moving in here as well as I get my controls into view here a little bit more. Put this into motion for you, and you can very clearly see this. The front has kind of stalled out over our area. You have a low pressure here down to your south that will be riding up, but it's going to track in a fashion similar to this as the time moves on overnight, and eventually by later in the night, all of this rain will move out of the area. Let me take you over here to the HER model and just time it all out on future radar here for you quick. Here is 6 p.m., so this is roughly where we're at right now. Let me put this into motion. You see, by about 8 p.m., you're starting to see the back side of the edge of the precipitation come here into the southwest corner of the state, and then here's 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., and then here's midnight, and you can see by midnight pretty much everybody is clear of the heavy precipitation, with the exception of just our few counties over here around Madison and points to the east. And then really, as you go through the overnight hours into the early morning hours of tomorrow morning, you don't have a whole lot to deal with. Really, the storm chances decrease off as you head through the night. So taking a look at your forecast for what you can expect tonight, we're going down to 46 for your overnight low tonight. Thunderstorms likely right now. I should really put that at 100% rather than 80%. Yeah, I should have updated that, but pretty much 100% chance of coverage on rain this evening time. By 9 o'clock, we may see that start to end a little bit. And then by midnight, we're going to go down to that more of a scattered chance of as far as everything goes. But numerous thunderstorms and severe weather possible this evening. But again, the best chance of it is to the east of I-65. Storm Prediction Center has kept the slight risk area going for us, but that should be, by their 8 o'clock update, that should probably be pretty much to our east, I think, once everything starts winding down. Temperatures tomorrow, by the way, are going to be cold. The latest data that's coming in is suggesting only 60 for Evansville, 59 for the Huntingburg area, 56 for Bloomington. So we're talking about a pretty stinking cold day for tomorrow as far as everything is concerned. And then as we take a look at the other, the high resolution NAM future radar for tomorrow, I just want to show you that tomorrow the showers and thunderstorms do fire up again a little bit later in the day, but it becomes more spotty in nature. And in fact, if we go to SouthernIndianaWeather.com and look at your 7-day forecast, I've only given it a 30% chance tomorrow with a high temperature of 59, maybe 60 in some spots, but it's going to be much, much, much colder compared to the 80s that we have been used to. All right, that is it for this video video tonight, folks. I will have the quick cast for you update to about 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Keep dry as best you can tonight. The rain and deluge comes. If there are any warnings come out of here, keep it here to Southern Indiana Weather on Facebook for those warnings. But by and large, I'm not expecting a huge outbreak tonight, more of a flash flooding concern. All right, that is it for tonight, folks. Take care, and we'll see you in the morning.